me. I know I look like a mess, but self-care. Right, hey guys, it's Charles. Welcome to, I don't know, what should I call this series? Pillow talk. Very chill, casual, straight to the camera, no fancy editing. I just have a face mask on. I know we're all at home right now. I want to welcome new people who are subscribed to this channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you to the old ones that have been there from the very beginning. So this is a super casual just conversation with you and me. We're just going to talk about a little bit about what's going on right now. So I honestly think this is a great perspective to tune in, take this moment to really reconnect with ourselves. You know, oftentimes when we're on the go, constantly working, constant striving, out and about, and there's so much distraction and noise, it's very easy for us to get lost in what we're actually doing. So I think, if anything, I like to share my perspective on quarantine. Obviously, there are things going on that are very serious, but I wanted to give a different perspective as far as using this time that we have. I see this time as such a privilege. You know, we are so privileged to be able to stay at home, to even have home, a shelter, to take care of ourselves, to have healthy food, access, to have all the abundance of toilet paper, all these things. But to have time, I think time is the most valuable thing that we have here on this planet. So if we're not using this time to learn more things, to read, to write that book that you've been putting off, to create more videos, to create more content, to think about what the hell are we actually contributing on this planet? How are we giving back? How are we using our platform, our talents for something that is bigger than ourselves? I felt inspired to create this for you guys. As far as I was having a conversation with my friend, and we were just like caught up on all this like new editing software and making this video the most fanciest production. And I realized, you know, at the core, what is it that we want to say? What's the energy, and what is the intention behind what you're doing? And I hope you guys are taking this time to reflect, to write in a journal, to get inspired. What is the life that you're creating? Because, you know, as I look at my time and the watch and the calendar, we're almost halfway through this 2020. So what is it that you want to create? Are you looking back at your resolutions or your annual goals, or just your goals in general? I have my vision board up there. I can show you guys. I'll show you guys that in another video. If you guys are interested in me making a video about vision boards and why I think it's so important to have a vision for your life and how to set incremental goals so you don't get overwhelmed, but breaking it down. I always say don't get overwhelmed. If you have goals, break it down to what's a big picture and then what is the baby steps that I can take every single day. Oh my gosh, I just looked at myself like I look a mess, but hey, gotta keep it real. I want to keep it real with you guys. I want to have direct conversation. If you want me to do a video on my skincare routine, happy to do so. Yeah, how are you guys doing? How are you doing with your quarantine? What are you doing with all this excess time? So I have taken a point to challenge myself to make more videos for you guys, but also to learn new things, to read about topics that I've always wanted to learn about, to write the novel, the book that I'm working on that I've been putting off for so long. But you know, the honest truth is that I took a little break to really take a step back. You guys know, some of you guys know that I moved back to New York, and then I moved back to LA in the beginning of this new year. And it's been a time of transition and also taking a moment to get still. What do I want to say? How do I want to say it? And what am I doing with my efforts? Because I realize we only have so much time here, and I really want to make sure that I'm using it wisely. I'm spending it with the people that I care about. I'm doing things that I'm super passionate about, and I'm creating the most impact. Because anytime I dive into something, I give it 110%. I don't know if that's you guys, but it is me, and I do not hold back. I just try to give it my all, and I get so laser focused that I forget, you know, like everything outside of myself. I just am so tunnel vision focused, which is really, really good. But before you get in tunnel vision focus, you want to get clarity. So I think sitting still with yourself, taking moments to meditate. I think mental health is so important, especially during these times. Calling a friend when you feel lonely, you know, watching YouTubers that really inspire you. I am a big believer of only allowing into your consciousness what you want to live into your mind, because whatever is steeped inside your subconscious will actually come out. So if you're putting in things that you don't want, like negative lyrics, negative entertainment, or constantly just, you know, watching the news every single morning, it can be really overwhelming. So taking a moment to really get grounded, to breathe. So I have videos on this. If you guys are interested, I can leave links below to my guided meditations and also my vision board video that I told you guys about. Let me know in the comments below what videos do you want to see. I'm going to be sharing more recipes with you guys, some workouts, and I want to keep it uplifting because I know that there's a lot of negativity out there, and you know, we can only all do our best and stay inspired. So we got to keep this momentum going. If you guys enjoy these casual videos, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you're doing with your quarantine time. Are you learning a new language? Are you learning a new skill? Are you utilizing this time for something to help yourself grow? Yeah, hope this video is fun, super casual. I literally just put on a face mask and I was like, I think I should record a video. By the way, this is my new apartment in Los Angeles. Do a tour next time, but you'll be seeing more videos. Yeah, hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.